This is prototype number 21. It's a Singer sewing machine which I got in a small Norwegian town called Kløfta. And I rebuilt it into a tractor, and it's got some money at the rear because this one is what we in Norwegian call børstraktor. And if you don't know what a børstraktor is, well, then you have to learn Norwegian. See you later. Bye bye.